Hey everyone! This is Shar of YellowYum. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited kasi meron na naman tayong new beauty video. Merong mga bagong products si Althea that I wanted to try out. They came out with their makeup line. So if you didn't know, they already have their skincare line. Some of them I've already reviewed on my blog. I'll put them in the description box below if you want to read more about them. But other than that, they already launched their makeup line. So I'm very excited to share this look with you and I hope that you enjoy it. So let's go and start! Pagpasensya nyo na kasi medyo nangangapa ako ulit. It's been a long time since I made a beauty video. First and foremost is skincare. I have been using the Althea Primer Water, which looks like this. It's basically a toner slash moisturizer slash primer for your skin. So, ginagamit ko to right before I apply my makeup. It just hydrates my skin and also nakakatulong din siya sa pag-fill ng pores nyo. You can put it sa cotton pad before applying it, but I like to use my hands na lang para walang masasayang na product. Hindi ganun kadami yung kailangan mo to cover your entire face. So, you just spread it evenly on the face. Meron siyang konting stickiness. I think it's also gonna help the makeup adhere to the skin. Medyo nagkaroon ako ng parang dewy finish when I applied it. I'm also going to be using the new Skin Relief Spot Film Gel with tea tree leaf extract. Because I have a zit at the moment, so ilalagay ko to. This is one of their newest products. So, this is my first time actually using it. So, para siyang konting-konti lang nilagay ko kasi isa lang naman yung zit ko. So, gel type yung consistency niya. And I'm just gonna dab it dun sa mga spots sa mga zits ko. So, I have one right here na medyo malaki-laki. So, I'm sure you can see that. And then here, konti. Next up is sunblock. Ngayon, especially, sobrang nagsistart na maging summer. The heat is really here. It's important to make sure that you put on your sun protection, your sunscreens, and currently, I have been loving the Althea Petal Velvet Sunaway, which has SPF 50++. Bihira kayong makakakita ng mga sunscreens or sunblock na ganun kataas, especially for the face. So, talagang sure ka na protektado yung skin mo. This also has sebum control, which is gonna help you with maintaining a shine-free face. By the way, meron din pala siyang scent. So, if you are into medyo florally scents, ayan, yan yung amoy niya. So, this is what it looks like. Medyo light lang siya and kind of milky. It has a milky texture. So, I'm just gonna pat it all over my face. And of course, please, huwag niyong kalimutan ang ating neck because the sun is also gonna hit your neck. Another thing that I really like about this is it's very lightweight. So, for those people who wear makeup regularly, it's a really good sunscreen kasi you won't feel na ang heavy-heavy na ng face mo because of course when you put on makeup, may weight na yan, diba? So you want a lightweight sunscreen. Now, let's move on to concealing. Althea actually launched their Flawless Creamy Concealer. So they have 4 different shades. The lightest is vanilla, which is this color. We have ginger, which is warmer. And then the next color is honey. And the last and the darkest is mocha. So on a normal day, I really just use a concealer. I don't put on foundation. So I'm gonna start with a lighter concealer. This is in ginger. I'm gonna use it under my eyes. Yan yung usual na ginagawa ko. Diyan talaga. Ito yung usual na ginagawa ko. Talagang just conceal my under eyes. And if there are mga blemishes. That's really just what I do. Meron siyang scent. Parang meron siyang light na scent. Hindi ko lang masabi kung ano siya exactly. Pero meron eh. So, ayan, nilagyan ko lang din yung zit ko. And then here sa my nose. And of course, under eyes. I'm going to grab my concealer brush and just apply it. And spread it evenly. Now, I'm going to move on to the third color, which is in Honey. And I'm gonna use it as like a foundation na rin. Since I don't really wear foundation, ito na yung gagamitin natin. Don't really need to put a lot. Kasi we're gonna blend it. So I'm just using a damp sponge and I'm gonna blend. Now I'm done with my face. We are going to set it with powder. I actually made a review on this sa blog ko. This is the very first product that they came out with, and I really like it a lot. It comes with a puff, and they already have 3 different shades for this. So depending on what you need and your skin tone, I'm sure may mahahanap kayo for you. So I will just press this onto my skin. This is definitely one of the softest and smoothest powders that I have. So if you like baking, you can definitely use this also. Done with the face. Diba? Ang ganda ng coverage niya. Even though it's a sheer coverage powder, it just really makes your skin look very smooth and silky. I really like it a lot. Before we move on to eyes, tatapusin ko lang yung face ko. I'm going to start with a concealer on my lids as a base. I'm going to use the Althea eyeshadow palette, Sunrise, Moonrise. I'm going to start with the only matte shade here in the palette, which is this color. It's going to be like a base color. Next, with a flat brush. This is what I use to place the eyeshadow. So I prefer using a flatter brush. Tapos we're gonna use this color. This pinkish, purple, almost maroonish color. This will be the main color of your eyes. So I start from the bottom going up so that the intensity package. Now I have to be honest, struggle gamitin tong eyeshadow palette because I find na when you place it, okay lang. But when you start blending it, naaalis siya, natatanggal siya sa placement niya. So you have to be very careful when you start blending. The next color I'm gonna use is this purple one. Ang ganda ng color niya. Na brush, tapos I'm gonna place it on the outer corner of my eye. You will notice na once mag-hit siya dun sa first color, nagsistart siyang mawala. And when I start to blend it, minsan nababawasan yung color. Now, the two shades are pretty similar, but I just wanted to use yung purple color, this one, as a base for a warmer shade, which is yung brown. This color I'll use is this one. Put it on top the purple shade kanina. So again, on the outer V. This will just intensify the outer corners of the eye a little. I'm also gonna drag it going in. A fluffy brush, blend. Kind of pearl white color. This is a swatch. Here. I'll apply it on top. Dito lang sa ilalim ng brows. I'm also going to take it and pop it dito sa inner corner of my eye. One of the most exciting products that they have, ito, yung Spotlight Eye Glitter. So they currently have two shades. They have one in pink light and they have gold light. These are liquid eye glitters that you can use as a topper or as eyeliner. Sobrang maraming pwedeng gamitin with this. You can even use it for your face. But we are gonna use it as kind of like an eyeliner also. It just gives your look a little bit of oomph. I decided to use the gold light kasi marami ng pinks sa eyes ko. So I'm gonna use gold instead. Basically, we're gonna use the same colors that we used earlier. So we're gonna start with this color, and then this one, this pink, and then purple. The first color would be all over, and then the pink one would be hanggang sa gitna. And last, the purple will be here to darken the edge. We'll just apply eyeliner, very thin line of eyeliner to the top, and also tight line and apply some liner on your waterline. Now for the final step, it's all about the lips. Althea came out with 4 different watercolor cream tints. So ito siya. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. I really like the packaging a lot. And all the shades look very, very wearable. I think the closest to nude is called Maroon Cream. The Peach Cream, which kind of has a pinky undertone yan. More on the orangey color. This is in Strawberry Cream. Reddish orange yung color niya. And finally, this one that has a blue undertone is called the Plum Cream. So we're gonna do the Maroon Cream. So this is what the packaging looks like what I said, maganda yung packaging niya. And when you open it, it has a doe foot applicator. Like that. For easy application. Yung amoy niya, it smells like those lip and cheek tints. Korean lip and cheek tints. Ganun yung amoy niya rin. So let's go and apply it on the lips. Oh! It's very opaque. So I think be careful because nagkakalat siya sa teeth. So I thought that it's gonna look kind of nude, pero hindi pala. Very pigmented yung color niya. When you apply it, it kind of looks like a liquid lipstick, pero it's a lighter version of a liquid lipstick, if that makes sense. Has medyo kind of a sticky feel at first, pero habang nagda-dry siya, okay naman, nawawala naman.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an old goodbye. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over.
So before we end the video, I'm gonna be giving you some sort of a summary and my thoughts and review on the products. For the concealers, they have 4 different shades right here. It has a thicker consistency, hindi siya ganun ka-watery. So the pigmentation's better. It was able to cover my under eyes and also my zit right here. Hindi na siya ganun ka-halata. And I also use this as a foundation, like a substitute for foundation, since I don't really like wearing foundation on an everyday basis. Okay na lagay ka lang ng konting concealer and blend it with a sponge. So this is what I used for this look and I like it. Let's move on to the eyes. They have the Sunrise Moonrise palette, eye palette, and packaging is nice, and they also have 8 different shades. Magaganda yung mga color combination dito. Unfortunately, I didn't quite enjoy it. I struggled using it kasi every time I try to blend, nawawala yung color. So, nagmo-move around yung eyeshadow. And that would mean longer time kasi you have to reapply and reapply. I would suggest that if you are gonna use this, siguro you just use your finger para mas ma-press mo talaga yung pigment and yung colors to your lids. They also have the Spotlight Eye Glitter, which is my favorite. Ang ganda niya. I really like the colors as well. I've swatched both and na-in-love ako talaga sa kanila. It's very versatile. You can definitely use it for different purposes. Daming pwedeng gawin with these eyeliners. Now, the last products are the Watercolor Cream Tints. So, they also have 4 different shades. And I really like this a lot. Medyo nahirapan lang ako because it started going to my teeth. But I think hindi ko in-expect na ganun kasi siya ka-opaque. It really reminds me of liquid lipsticks, but it's a lighter formula of a liquid lipstick. And I see that it also stains your lips. Yung finger ko, nagkaroon na ng konting staining. So that's also a plus in my book. I like lip products that stain the lip para kung kumain ka or uminom ka and you don't have the time or the luxury of time to reapply, okay lang because it's still tainted. So that ends this video and this makeup tutorial. I hope that you like it. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All the links will be in the description box below. This is such a refreshing thing for me to do. I hope that you enjoyed and I will see you in the next one. Bye!